Alright, we've got another equation to solve that has parentheses. And it looks like they went crazy with the parentheses here. They've got two sets of parentheses on each side. But no worries, because we do it the same way we would if there was only one set of parentheses. We just have to do it a bunch of times. We take, in this case, the 11 and distribute it through the parentheses all the way through. So that means 11 times x. So we get 11x. 11 times 2, those are both positive, so it's plus 22. Now we take the negative 4. Let's not forget the sign. Negative 4 times x and negative 4 times negative 4. Well, what do we get? Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Now we do the same thing to the right side. We take 2 and distribute it through the parentheses. Gives us 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And finally, take the 4, carry it through the parentheses, which gives us 4 times x. Positive 4 times positive x is positive 4x. Positive 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. So now we've got a bunch of like terms to gather and combine. So let's copy that and circle our like terms. On the left side, we have, let's see, 11x and a negative 4x. And we also have positive 22 and a positive 16. So let's just do those first. 11x minus 4x. Notice the sign stays with the term. So that's a negative 4x added to a positive 11x. Or said another way, 11x minus 4x, which is 7x. 11 minus 4 is 7. 22 plus 16. It's a positive, let's see, what is that? 6 and 2 is 8. 38. Took me a minute, sorry about that. And then the next side over here, I'm going to combine the 2x and the 4x, and also the negative 6 and the negative 12. All right, 2x plus 4x is 6x. Negative 6 minus 12. Again, we're combining these two things. They're both negative. Negative 6 minus 12 is going to be a negative 18. All right, we've got x's on both sides, and it's not, x isn't by itself on either side. So we want to get all the x's on the left or the right. Since there's 7 of them over here and only 6 of them over there, I'm going to put all the x's on the left where I have more x's. Just a rule of thumb. It doesn't matter, you can put them on the right if you like. But I'm going to move the 6x over to here. And I do that by subtracting 6x from both sides. Why? Because that's a positive 6x. And if I subtract 6x from it, then on the right side, I'm left with just negative 18, which is what I wanted. I didn't want that 6x here. On the left side, 7x minus 6x is 1x. Then I'm just going to bring down that plus 38. We're almost done. We got x plus 38 is equal to 18. The good news is this is just 1x. So once I isolate that, I'm done. And I isolate x by doing the following. I subtract 38 from both sides, because this is x plus 38, and 38 minus 38 disappears. The 38s cancel out. So I'm left with x over here, and on the right side, negative 18 minus 38. Again, they're both negative, so I just combine the two, I add them together, and get 56, and they're both negative, so I keep the common sign. So x is equal to a negative 56 is our answer.